Hi beautiful friends, it's Tatiana and Lucas. Lucas is 6 months now, and we wanted to give you a tour of our unfinished home here in Panama. So the last video I did was about 7 months ago, and I was sharing with you how we're building our dream home here on the beach, and we're super excited about it, and it's almost done. We're about to move in a couple months or so. And so I wanted to share with you, how things are looking right now and chit chat a little bit. And then once we do move in, of course, I'll give you the grand tour. And I'm just so excited about it, and I'm so grateful that I get to share it with you. So come with me. Okay, here we go. This is the foyer. You can see here we have these beautiful marble floors, and this is just throughout the entire place. I love the quality of the materials that they're using here. We're gonna have a baby grand piano here. And over here, we did some special work on the ceilings. We're gonna have some wood paneling in here to really just make it look extra unique and just really add dimension to the room. Here I have a gorgeous piece of artwork that I commissioned from a local artist in Panama. It's got a leopard and it looks so majestic, and I can't wait to see it on this wall. Over here we have these large sliding doors so that we can keep it open and we can see everything and feel the breeze and breathe in the fresh air. And over here we're gonna have our dining room table. We're gonna have a stone wall here. It's gonna be jade color. And over here we have our kitchen, not yet complete of course. We're gonna have a mini bar, coffee station here, our fridge, all of that jazz. And the cool thing about our kitchen is that this part is always gonna look clean and tidy, because we have a second kitchen, which is where we're gonna be doing all the cooking and the messy work. This is called the chef's kitchen. So this is where we can close the door, cook something smelly, and then when we have our guests over, we just walk out here and pretend like it just magically appeared out of thin air. So this is the chef's kitchen. Here I've got a huge pantry, which I'm so grateful for. I know that's gonna be really handy. Here we have a laundry room, and over here we have a nanny's room. They call it the nanny's room or the cleaner's room. Pretty much everyone in Panama has one of these rooms, because it's part of the culture here to have a live-in maid who wakes up and is there all day long and is just helping around the house. I call her my wife. Got my own wifey, and loving that so far. Can't complain about that. This is her bathroom. And then we have the garage over here. Not really that exciting to show you guys, but quickly, good sized garage for a car. Okay, so here we have the beauty of this entire place, and it's just being right here, right up close to the beach. Here we have this beautiful terrazza. We're gonna have some swings here, some seating here, and we're gonna have some nice woodwork on the roof as well here. Here we're gonna have a palm tree. This is actually gonna be water. So this is our pool. And our pool, we really customized this to work for our lifestyle. We've got stepping stones here. This is gonna be a kiddie pool area over here. And then it goes down into the deeper end. Up here, you can see we have a little bridge. I'll show you guys that in a second. This is a den / guest house. It's actually really huge. So we're expecting to have our family and friends come hang out for some periods of time. Let's walk over. So this is our pool. You can pretty much do some laps in here. It's a really long pool. Hello. And we're gonna do some really great landscaping here, put some palm trees, pop, 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 pop. Over here we have a cold plunge. So if you know, Stefan and I, we really like all the biohacking stuff. So we have a cold plunge, and then in that bathroom over there inside the guest house, we're gonna have an infrared sauna. So hot and cold. We also have a jacuzzi right there. So hot, cold therapy is so good for the body. And that's our jacuzzi. And then that's the rooftop, so let's go over there. So this is inside the guest house area. We still have marble flooring, but we're gonna do a different polish, different finish. We're gonna have a bar here, kitchen area, TV, sofa, office area, so this can be a desk. And then we're doing a wall bed to save space, and that's gonna be up along here. And then over here through the door, there's gonna be an outdoor shower right there, so we can shower off from the swim. Here we have a bathroom. And over there is where we're gonna put the the infrared sauna. All right, and then let's go upstairs. All right, so this is from the rooftop. You can see the view of the ocean. The tide's out today. And yeah, it's just gonna be so nice to run in, dip our toes in. And then over here, this is our patio. So we're gonna have two big swings here. We're gonna have a barbecue area, a pizza oven. This is gonna be for parties. Okay, let's cross over this bridge over here. This bridge actually takes us to our games room directly, our games room and our master bedroom. We also, everything here has been customized. We made a lot of modifications to this property to suit our lifestyle. Oh, looks like they locked this door. Okay, we're going around. So we're so grateful that we are now getting to move into this home pretty soon. This has been it's been on our vision boards since we met each other. So this has been in the making for a long time now. And if you were to ask me 10 years ago, would I ever think that I'd be moving to Panama and building my dream home and living on the beach? And I'd say, yeah. And yeah, I would. And that's why it's happening. It's because I believed it. It's because we believed it. And that's kind of the message I want to have for you guys, is that everything in your life starts with having a vision. Everything that you want starts with having a vision, because you got to get clarity on what you want. If you don't know what you want, it's not going to show up for you in your life. Dream big, because you never know, right? Dream big, because if you have a vision and if you have desire and you have faith and believe that it is in your realm of possibility, then it will happen. And you don't know when it's going to happen. For us, this has been kind of like 9 years in the making, but it's happening. And so we're really excited that we're going to be living here in Panama, but we also have 2 homes in Canada as well that we get to enjoy and have that variety in our lives. So if you were to ask me like 15 years ago, I would have said, oh, and there's no way, because I never understood the power of my thoughts. 15 years ago, I didn't understand how important it is to have a vision, how important it is to get clear on what I want in life, and how that is the secret, because once you have clarity, then you now have something to work towards. And when you work towards something hard enough, it is going to happen. It's just a matter of time. Hola. So take heed with this message, because if there's anything that Stephanie and I want to share on our channel, is we want to share with you guys what works for us. And we don't just want to keep it all to ourselves. All right, so we are now going upstairs to the 2nd floor. Now this is going to be all wood. We're doing a lot of woodwork in this house. I just really feel like it up levels a house, really elevates the look. We have some long windows here. Over here on the pergola, I'm going to do these beautiful pink flowers, so we have some bright, vivid colors. We're going to do glass railings here. But don't worry, they're gonna be sturdy. This area here is a bit of a lounge area, but we're gonna have a custom desk. So this will one day be the place for the kids to study. Some couches here, no TV. This is the TV-free zone. Let's start over here. Going down this hall, we have our games room. So as you guys know, I was just over there on the other side of the bridge. This door was locked. So this is gonna be our games room. It's gonna be where the family probably spends the most time. Stefan's in charge of all the electronics. He's the gadgets man. He just loves all the latest tech. Doesn't want to settle for anything less than the best stuff. And then over here, we're gonna have a custom cabinet area for like our, mini fridge and popcorn maker and sweets, and make it kind of cinema, movie theater vibes. Maybe an arcade machine and some fun games. And of course, a bathroom. All right. And then we're gonna go to the master bedroom right over here. All right, over here we are entering the master bathroom. As you can see, they pull the tile up from the floor all the way up the walls, this beautiful marble. And the countertop that I chose is a Taj Mahal. I can't wait to see how that's gonna look. I'm gonna be changing all of the faucets and hardware to a brass gold color. Again, I think that's really gonna make the bathroom look a lot better. And then we have the master closet. Here, a little bit hard to envision anything, but it's gonna be great. And I'm gonna have a vanity right in the middle there so I can have a nice place to do my makeup and my hair because I'm very feminine. And this is the master bedroom. And so we're gonna do, again, custom all of this TV area, console, and then the bed with lights hanging from the ceiling. And we have a little mini veranda there. And then we can go down the hall to Lucas's room. Lucas's baby room is going to have the cutest wallpaper. It's wallpaper that isn't just for kids, so it's gonna look very elegant. And it is a tropical jungle theme because we are in Panama, so I want him to learn about his surroundings. So yeah, this is gonna be his little nursery slash kids room. Here we have the kids bathroom. It's a joint bathroom with the next door, which is for the second child, that bedroom. And we put a little bench there for bathing. And then over here we got the second bedroom, a little smaller. Got a closet there. There's gonna be a closet here for linens. And then over here we have the granny's room. It's called the granny's room for when grandma comes to stay, but we don't really know what we're gonna be using it for yet. Perhaps an office space, maybe make it into some sort of studio, but this whole area is gonna have a giant wall bed. And we have a bathroom here. And this one also has a little veranda as well, which I guess they haven't put up the poles for yet. Yeah, so that's pretty much the house. So next time I do an update, the house will be finished. It's been a lot of work, but it is coming together and it's gonna be amazing. And you know, I can't emphasize enough how important it is that if you guys want something like this, you have to believe that it is within your reality. You can't just say, oh, it's just for them. Oh, it's just Tatiana and Stefan. Oh, they're rich, they can afford that. Or whatever your limiting belief is that you have in your mind right now, just catch yourself and realize that you are your biggest limitation. You are the reason that you're not gonna get what you want. And you have to be so careful about the thoughts that occupy your mind. That is the key. We're not deliberate enough about the thoughts that we allow and the thoughts that we don't allow. And so my message for you in this video is to just be more aware and more conscious of what you are allowing to occupy the space in your mind. And if it's not serving you, if you realize that it's limiting you, then just delete it, get rid of it, and replace it with something that does serve you. And always remember that there is so much power in having a vision, getting clear on what you want. If you don't know what you want right now, then turn off this video, give yourself the blessing of taking 5-10 minutes to sit down with a pen and paper and just write whatever comes to mind. There's no right or wrong answers, just write whatever comes to mind of what it is that you want in your life and see where it takes you. Have fun with it. Be playful. Take on that childlike spirit that knows no boundaries, that knows no limitations, that doesn't say, oh, I can't afford that, or, oh, there's no way that's going to be possible. Just allow your mind to wander and have fun with the experience, because at the end of the day, what's most important is how you feel. How you feel when you're envisioning it, how you feel when you're directing your thoughts towards it. You want to feel amazing. And then you just, all of a sudden, you need to start looking for the opportunities. Opportunities are everywhere. Stefan and I share a million different opportunities on how to make money online, but you don't need to make money online. There's so many ways that you can build, create your success or create your freedom, whatever it is that you want. But realizing that the opportunities are everywhere. And so if you think that they're not everywhere, again, that's a limitation that you're placing upon yourself. So be aware of your limitations, and then all of a sudden you'll notice the opportunities that are already around you. They were always there. You just weren't noticing them before. And you'll notice them more when you have something that you want to work towards. You're going to notice them more when you have something that's driving you, that's pulling you, because you have energy now, you're excited. So keep that in mind, okay guys? That's my message for you today. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.